Today we are wrapping this brand new Yukon Denali in full matte PPF. We're going to do the front all the way to the back and the roof. Yes, the roof. I'm going to take you front to back how much work goes into a job like this. So why are my clients doing full matte PPF? Matte paint protection film not only looks fantastic, but it gives you full coverage from things like scratches, swirl marks, stains, any shopping carts. If some idiot bumps into your car in a parking lot, paint protection film is thick enough to take physical damage. The benefit is that they're going matte, so it is a truly unique aesthetic and it's going to look awesome once we're done. Before we lay any kind of paint protection film, we have to do a proper prep. This vehicle came in already after a road trip, so our client wanted to do this first, but he had to go out of town. And so you can see this front end, it is just decked in bug guts, right? Obviously, we cannot PPF over that, so we use a bug cleaner to go through and dissolve the bug guts, and then we go through and gently lift, cleaning that paint. Now that the paint is clean, we're going to move on to actually start cutting out this paint protection film. So we use a Graphtec plotter as well as Core software to cut all of our film. What I love about Core is its accuracy. Not only are the plots really precise, but we can also extend all of the edges so that we get a clean tuck on this install. When you tuck film this way, it's good for two reasons. First and foremost, it looks amazing, right? When you don't have any exposed edges, you can't even tell that the film is there. But secondly, and most importantly, when film is tucked this way, without any exposed edges, those edges are less likely to catch and lift, giving your PPF install a better durability over time. There's more prep involved than just cleaning the vehicle as well. As you can see, we're going to start disassembling things like door handles, badges, emblems, trim, all so that film can get tucked nice and neat, giving you that bespoke, seamless install. So as we're laying the paint protection film, it's really important to mitigate the stress of the film as we cover the panel. We're trying to get a flat piece of film to go over a curved edge. So it's really important to use proper techniques and mitigate where that stress is going so that it gets tucked and stays tucked over time. When we lay the paint protection film, we work in sections, panel by panel. So even on this hood, we're gonna start out by just doing the middle part first and then working our way out. So as we move on to the door, because we've removed the door handle, we can lay our paint protection film all in one piece. This is great because aesthetically it looks amazing. It looks seamless, literally. But more importantly, it's more durable this way. Because we don't have exposed edges, especially around that door handle, it's not going to catch and lift, giving you better durability over time. Now we move on to this roof. The roof on this vehicle, I think, is probably the hardest panel because it is not only a very large panel, but there are deep recesses that go all the way down. When we're doing this part of the install, it's very, very tedious because we have to work in sections to make sure there are no bubbles where the creases of the valleys and dips are. And so it's very, very time consuming, but we're gonna manage to get this done. As we move on to the back, you can see that because we've removed those badges, our film's gonna get laid in one piece. We actually make a template before we remove those badges so that once the film is on, we put the badge back on and it looks like it never even left the car. All right, now that all of that film is on the vehicle, it's time to reassemble the vehicle. So we're going to be putting up together the mirrors, the door handles, all the trim, badges, and everything else that we've removed. And I'm going to show you guys the final product once we're done. So the paint protection film is all done, it's all installed in the vehicle, and all of the panels have been reassembled. Now it's time to protect that matte finish with a ceramic coating. Ceramic coatings are designed for chemical protection, and especially for matte finishes that stain easily. Ceramic coatings make it extremely non-stick. They're extremely chemical resistant, so that specifically means water spots, bird poop, bug guts, tree sap, and dirt and grime. Once treated, this film is going to stay extremely easy to clean. It has a deeper satin luster, but it's going to stay cleaner longer. So this project is finally done. Full matte paint protection film and then a next-gen ceramic coating to protect everything, paint, glass, and wheels. And so not only does this thing look awesome, it's going to stay protected and stay looking clean pretty much indefinitely. Going full matte PPF really gives this Yukon a unique road presence. It looks amazing, but our client is going to have that peace of mind when he's traveling all over Texas and across state borderlines. And so he wants the best. He wants something unique. This is that. And so if you are looking to protect your vehicle in the most unique way possible, full matte PPF is a really great way to do that. A job like this will generally take a week, sometimes even a little longer. I mean, you guys saw how much work went into this, but it's always worth the wait. If you want to get it done, get on my schedule, give me a call, and we'll talk to you soon. It's Jesse at Humble Crowd Spa, signing out.